It's Jeannie Leonard from Gale in Cold Spring Harbor, and welcome to 131 Lawrence Hill Road, directly in Cold Spring Harbor, alongside the Midland area. Let me show you this beautiful house. When you walk in this beautiful entryway, the crisp, newly painted, gorgeous home with glistening wood floors greet you. This beautiful family room has brand new windows, so bright and light, wonderful storage, views out to the patio, as well as a nice flat lawn, easy to accommodate the play set. Beautiful brick fireplace, built-ins. This is where you will live. This amazing kitchen, perfectly designed for today's living. All new appliances, quartz counters, extended kitchen with extra storage, double ovens, built-in microwave. Actually, this is the laundry room to the right with hanging space, little bar area with the adjoining dining room that is oversized, can accommodate a large table, very bright, very welcoming. Swing back around through the kitchen. Beautifully appointed, plenty of storage, glistening counters. Standing at the farm sink, overview to the family room, as well as a nice nook for either playroom or workspace. Come around and see the new bathroom, which is the powder. Very neutral floor. Back through the hallway. To the living area. I love the charm of the bookshelves with the arches. Big, oversized, welcoming wood-burning fireplace, perfect for the holidays. Actually, they are getting ready for the holidays. They created a nice COVID workspace in this very sunny nook. Everything is impeccable. The hardwood floors, newly painted. Let me show you upstairs. Go up, nice open stairwell. And at the top, a beautifully appointed bathroom with plenty of storage. Nice shower. The first bedroom, pretty in pink. Very welcoming, very bright with hardwood floors. Second bedroom, again, lovely nooks, but very bright and welcoming. Go down the hallway, nice skylight, lets in more light. This house is very bright. To the master, again, beautiful hardwood floors, new windows, higher ceilings, and a brand new bathroom. plenty of counter space. I love the Carrera. It's one of my favorite floor designs, actually. And then you have your walk-in closet. Beautiful master.